Hey everybody, I am going to be working on this and I'm going to film it in super fast speed. So this is, it is just not wanting to focus. There we go. So this is a picture I bought at Goodwill and spray painted over the actual image. And so this is actually like a super heavy frame. But anywho, I'm going to be doing dots. So I've got my paint. This is liquitex pouring medium. I actually hate it for pouring, but I like it for making dots. So I'm just going to get to it. Hey everybody. So I've been working on this all week and I am not liking how it is going. I'm going to go back and watch some blob paint videos. I don't know. I don't want to give up on this because this took me so long. Plus it's all soft and smooth and there's some really cool ones. But if anybody has tips on where for me to go from here, I would love to hear them. I did use this kind of like in place of Floetrol, or in place of water, because I used Liquitex pouring medium and then wanted it a little thinner, so I put that in there. But anywho, I would love some advice. Sometimes I think I shouldn't keep coming onto my channel with, quote, failures, but you have to learn somehow. And so we all learn as a team, and I learn from you, and you learn from me, and we're just one big happy learning family. Bye.